guys, welcome back to Tereza's Choice Kitchen. Everyone loves a good centerpiece in the middle of their dining table, I know, but that doesn't always need to be chicken or turkey. It can be the humble vegetable. So we're using cauliflower today. So I'm going to make this beautiful sauce that we're gonna rub into the cauliflower, bake it in the oven for an hour, and it's going to be amazing. Let's get started. For this recipe, you will need the biggest cauliflower you can find. For the sauce, you need 400 grams of good quality tinned chopped tomatoes and 1 tablespoon of chili sunflower spread. If you don't have it on hand, change it to tahini. 1 tablespoon of tomato paste and 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika. 1 tablespoon of maple syrup or any other sweetener, and 1 clove of garlic. A big pinch of salt and mix it all up. You will need this sauce to be very strong. Now turn over your clean cauliflower and pour in a bit of the sauce. Turn it over again and cover with the rest of the sauce on top and thoroughly rub it into the cauliflower. Heat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius and pop it in for around 1 hour and 20 minutes or until tender. Remove the pan from the oven and transfer the cauliflower to a serving plate. Pour the leftover sauce from the baking pan on top of the cauliflower. Next up, use some Greek yogurt or coconut yogurt and put it into the roasting pan. Thoroughly mix it into the leftover sauce. Believe me, these are the best bits when making this recipe. Add a bit of lemon juice and mix again. Spread the yogurt sauce on top of the cauliflower and cover it with fresh parsley and sliced almonds. Look at this beautifully roasted cauliflower. You didn't think that this simple vegetable could look this delicious and smell amazing, but it is. It's incredible. If you want to make this dish completely vegan, just use coconut yogurt instead of dairy. It has this incredible umami. It's so soft. You can serve this with a side dish of a salad or just simple quinoa. Oh, yum. Oh.